Today we're going to talk about the Weber Crafted system and the Weber Crafted Griddle. Now, first things first, let's talk a little bit about the Weber Crafted frame kit, and then I've got a special surprise on the griddle. Now, once you've determined that your grill is compatible with the Weber Crafted frame kit, the best part is add the frame kit, add those grill grates, and now you have the ability to use all of the Weber Crafted accessories on your grill. That's super helpful. When it comes to the Weber Crafted Griddle, my 5 favorite things right here are some of the best features and benefits of this amazing Weber Crafted tool. Now, in every Weber Crafted frame kit box, you are going to get the Weber Crafted frame, which goes right into your grill like that, and it also comes with an adapter plate that takes up the front little part. Now, the best thing is, once that frame kit has been added, you now have the perfect amount of room to add those Weber Crafted accessories. Now that the frame kit has been installed, we'll go ahead and add our Weber Crafted Griddle. Now, you can see we've got a grill with 3 burners and a sear zone. So for today, what we're gonna do is fire up the 2 burners and that sear zone to really create that extra burst of heat that we need. Now, don't have a sear zone? Don't worry about it. Just fire up these 2 burners and let that preheat. But we are set to go, ready to do some griddling. So we'll go ahead and shut the grill, let it preheat. So one of the things I wanted to point out before we start cooking is we went ahead and seasoned this like our finest cast iron, and we put about 4 layers of seasoning on here, then we cooled it, cleaned it, and now we are back up and running and ready to cook. So today I wanted to show you something fun I love doing on this flat top. I'm gonna add a little bit of bacon fat, but then, wait for it, a little seared ribeye steaks. I'll tell you, getting beautiful crust on here and everything, that's one of the beauties of using that Weber Crafted Griddle. Now, the nice thing is, look at that, keeps all the grease in there, everything goes right down the drain and right into your drip pan. Pretty cool, right? Let's take a peek at those beautiful steaks and look at that. Absolute crust. If you thought cooking with the Weber Crafted Griddle was amazing, be sure to check out our next video featuring the Weber Crafted Roasting Basket. That video coming up next.